I was constantly exhausted. Full time work, side projects, household responsibilities, and a toddler by my side. I somehow convinced myself this was just normal life. Free time la kuda, my mind was racing through work deadlines. Sunday kuda rest pannama work பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். I discovered slow living through YouTube videos. Those peaceful, soothing visuals. I craved that feeling so badly. But I thought, how can a toddler mom live slowly? But after studying about these slow living techniques, எனக்கு என்ன புரிஞ்சதுன்னா நான் ஸ்லோ லிவிங் பற்றி ரொம்பவே தப்பாக புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருந்தேன் அப்படின்ட்டு. நான் நினச்சேன் ஸ்லோ லிவிங்னா ஒன்றுமே பண்ணாமல் இருக்கிறதுன்னு. அண்ட் டூயிங் நத்திங் மென்ட் நாட் ஏர்னிங் மனி, நாட் ஒர்க்கிங் ஹார்ட் இனஃப். ஆஃப்டர் ஐ குவிட் மை ஜாப், ஐ பேனிக். ஹவு கேன் ஐ டூ லெஸ் வென் ஐம் ஸ்டார்டிங் ஓவர்? பிகாஸ் ஸ்கில்ஸ் கற்றுக்கணும், அந்த ஸ்கில்ஸ் வச்சு பணம் சம்பாதிக்கணும், கரெக்ட் தானே? பட் நான் என்ன கற்றுக்கிட்டேன்னா, slow living is about doing fewer things with full presence. When I stopped multitasking between my daughter and work thoughts, both got better attention. It is not about working less hours, it is about being fully present during those hours. Quality over quantity. அதுதான் difference. I thought slow living was completely impossible being a toddler mom. You can't exactly meditate when someone needs attention every 5 minutes. I cannot take time to read peacefully, think quietly, or just sit without doing anything. But நான் என்ன கற்றுக்கிட்டேன்னா, slow living is not about perfect silence. It is about presence wherever you are. அதாவது ப்ளே டைமில் ஒர்க் பற்றி யோசிக்காமல் இருக்கிறது, இல்லை ஈவினிங் ஸ்நாக்ஸ் என்னன்னு யோசிக்காமல் இருக்கிறது, அதுதான் பீயிங் ப்ரெசன்ட் இன் த மூமெண்ட். அண்ட் அதுதான் ஸ்லோ லிவிங்னு கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். Chaos doesn't stop, but how we move through it changes everything. This was my biggest fear. I'm starting over, trying new things. How can I slow down when I need results fast? Slow living na கம்மி நேரம் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும், கோல்ஸே இருக்கக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு நினச்சேன். As someone building from scratch, that felt terrifying. But what I learned was slow living actually makes you more productive and definitely not less. நான் எப்போவுமே பிஸியாகவே இருந்தேன், பட் எஃபெக்டிவாக இருந்தேன்னா I am not sure. I used to work on multiple tasks simultaneously and I felt productive because I was always moving, but the actual output was definitely scattered. Slow living actually taught me the difference between being busy and being productive. Now I try to work on one task at a time with complete focus, and I finish tasks faster and with better quality. Slow living is not about working less, it is about working with intention. It is choosing quality over quantity. So now my energy goes into the work itself and not into the anxiety around the work. Real secret என்ன தெரியுமா? Productivity through presence. When you are fully engaged in what you're doing, everything actually improves. I thought I needed a perfect setup to practice slow living. Clean house, quiet space, organized life. And if you have a toddler around, you would know this is close to impossible. And also, I just cannot eat without watching my phone. It felt boring to just sit and eat doing nothing. But what I understood is slow living works in imperfect conditions. In fact, அப்போதான் அது ரொம்ப தேவை. Those boring moments, that is where the magic happens. When we stop filling every second, we start feeling again. I thought slow living literally meant moving slowly in life. And that is impossible for someone who has multiple things going around. So நான் இங்கே என்ன கற்றுக்கிட்டேன்னா, it is not about the speed of your movements, it is about the quality of your attention. I actually feel more relaxed when my phone usage is less, or when I just rest without worrying about anything. And அதுதான் slow livingனு புரிஞ்சிச்சு. Some days I still rush, some days I still cannot eat without distractions, I still check my phone too much, I still overthink results. But now I catch myself. And catching yourself is the first step to choosing differently. The hardest part for me is to focus on one single thing without any distractions. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா அதை நான் ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். See, slow living is not about having fewer responsibilities. It is about being present within the chaos. And it is definitely not about perfect execution. It is about perfect intention. So, if you are someone with multiple responsibilities and thinking that slow living is impossible for you, I get it because nanu adeda nenechen. So, let's start small. We are not trying to be perfect slow living people. We are trying to be present ones, and that changes everything. In the video pudichirundha, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you and have a great day. Spread positivity.